Go over to the side locker. On the door, just more pictures of my daughter. Loctite degreaser. We're really getting into the Milwaukee stuff, you know. I'm a firm believer in this company. I mean, these guys are absolutely awesome. Got my 3/4 impact there. The 2767 half-inch. That thing is an absolute animal. Got the 90-degree driver in the back. The 90-degree 3/8. A half-inch drill. The M12 compact 1/4-inch driver. .3/8 half-inch compact impacts. My Sawzall M12 drill, 1/4-inch impact, sander, the 90-degree drill, the old 3/8 ratchet, old half-inch high torque. Still works pretty good, but not as good as the new ones. The new ones are absolutely just a horse to be reckoned with. These things are just animals. Next drawer. It clamps, shackles, levels. Next drawer. Got my Dremel, gloves, stamp kits, batteries. Got my electrical drawer. I had a battery charger, my tender, Fluke multimeter kit. Got my Fluke 179, temperature probe, homemade timer that we wound up making for specific projects, miscellaneous. Top drawer, just got a mess of spare stuff, socket rails, French rails, this miscellaneous extra stuff. Modified my tool carts as well. Didn't add too much to it. This is just the stuff I beat on every day. Wrenches, ratchets, extensions, miscellaneous sockets, hammers, brass punches, Allen keys, side cutters. Milwaukee grinder, air impact, rear sanders, custom extensions, some smaller sledges. I added the little pry bar holder, and then we boxed in the bottom. So we got this all enclosed now. Nothing special in there. There's it's an old drill and an old impact in there. I mean, for the money, this thing it's awesome. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.